PCL Live, offering event equipment hire, installation, production, live streaming and digital signage services. We don't just provide audiovisual solutions, we craft immersive experiences that captivate and inspire. From stunning LED video walls that transform events to cutting-edge installations that redefine spaces. By replacing legacy technology with new, cutting-edge solutions, we bring your visions to life. A significant portion of this technology is produced in mainland Europe in a carbon-neutral factory, allowing us to help our clients push towards net zero emissions. We're at the forefront, introducing innovative ways to deliver exceptional experiences. But what truly sets us apart is our people. Our dedicated team ensures every project is a masterpiece. We're not just professionals, we're passionate creators committed to your success. See what our clients say about the PCL Live experience. So why settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary? Contact us today and let's create something extraordinary together.